Right. That's Westminster Bridge. That is the bell tower of Big Ben. The two fellows on the top have a good view. It's been cleaned up, restored, and with the rest of the building. Now then, our topic, as it were, why we've come, is this is Westminster Bridge. Now then, there's a car coming down here now, and it's 50 miles an hour, and he's causing panic and pandemonium on the bridge, and people are screaming and bawling. Look at all the people here. Oh, look at them all. Look at them all. Oh, and he's failed to mow all these people down. And these people are normal amount of people. In fact, it gets even worse later on in the day. And of course, you see, we can come back to the bridge. Okay.
Have you been?
He's coming down here and he's mowing down all these pegging people, as we say. Oh dear, dear. And he's come for the traffic lights, and he's he's turned this corner here, and it's 50 miles an hour, and he's still going for it. And it's Formula One, and it's Jeremy Clarkson commentating somewhere, and he's turned this corner, and look, ladies and gentlemen, oh, he's hit one of these walls here. He's hit one of these walls. Oh. And of course the first wall he hit was one with the box, so it's this one here. Alright. Okay, and the footage. Okay. So he was in front of this box, of which it's a gate and a box behind it. Alright. So he's hit this wall here. Now then, you tell me something. Tell me something. Come on. There's the wall that he was supposed to have hit. Only a small area, this. Okay. Look what's behind these gates here, please. Are you telling me? And remember, this is Parliament on holiday. There's usually around about 6 police on each gate. That's this gate and this one here with these two plonkers. Okay, this second gate over here that they're standing away from. You're telling me that these idiots didn't hear a car 50 miles an hour turning this begging corner and it's in this? Hey, there you are. There you are, look. In remembrance, PC Keith Palmer, March 22nd of March 2017. A load of bollocks. Police Memorial Trust, more money wasted. Will you tell me how it is that they've even put a marker here of where the car,
the village trust,
where the car hit this wall?
What did you think? Do you think?
And officers are that far away? Let's see how picking far away they are, shall we? It's 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, say 30 foot, 31 foot, about 34 foot. 34 foot. You telling me in the open air, you can hear all this traffic? You might even be able to hear this plonker here on his phone. That nobody could hear a vehicle at 50 miles an hour hit that wall. Officers here, approximately 30 foot away, 34 foot away. You've got the second gate there. More officers, not one of them. Is it? And this is Whitehall. That's the centre. He just came out, you know, because I've been standing around there so long, this fat Mr. Blobby is coming to ask me questions and I can't be asked. So he's walked away as I've walked away. Sod him. Yeah. Is it now? It's not here.
He is coming to the Houses of Parliament.
It's a bit late.
To the United Kingdom.
Yeah. I will indeed. Now then, he's got his flag. Brexit. Side of Jesus.
And in time for the Saviour today in the city of London. Believe on the Lord Jesus Christ.
Can he have 2 for 1 though? That's what he's selling, isn't it? So we'll go past Mr. Blobby again. Hey? I was going to go down Whitehall, but I thought, no, can't be arsed. Blandis. Why is he plastic poison? Banned this plastic poison. Okay, you're banned. You're banned. That's it. Hey? But then again, he's got plastic poison in his ears. Isn't he? Still, he's banned. You said he's banned, so you're banned. Oh, you just want bottles, is it? Some weird people around. Hey? I see they've got in on it. Anglican church there. Hey? Another bunch of child molesting fiends. Bollocks to Brexit. I don't understand that. Well, I don't understand the people today, their mentality. I mean, I don't know if that's a... Oh! There's another fatso. Oh, there's some fat buggers around here, isn't there? Oh, that's...
They're both voting, except for the Liberals. So if you're a Liberal, I'll let you up. If you're not a Liberal, you're as guilty as the rest.
So where's... There's another part to this. Phyllis wondering what they're coming to eat me and stuff them. Hey? Look at this. Fresh out of a pram. Hey? Oh, look at this. Hey? Huh? How many kids have they got in the back of that, I wonder? Or has he just delivered them? Hey? I'm just wondering where that white wall was. Right. So that's your white wall. That's not white anymore. And it could not have been white in the first place. Alright? It's a mess, isn't it? That's that white wall. That second picture where the car was stationed. So they say they're stationed against this gate. We'll have to check it. Or this wall. We're going to have to check it. I think it's this wall. Because they staged it twice. One as a drill, one on the day. Okay. Oh, fuck off. Right? Blowing your fucking horn, you toppy nose twat. Anyhow. It's always important. It's about as important as a bag of shite. Hey? To Burger King. Come on.
No Brexit!
Well, then why are you asking me about that and why aren't you explaining
I want bad shit. I want to be celebrated.
I know.
Like you, I think democracy's a good thing, and I don't think that we've seen I think I should do pieces right, absolutely. We can't take. And how can we take the moral high ground with Erdogan who wants another vote for Istanbul, he didn't win it, when we're doing the same in here? How can you actually say in somewhere else in the world, in Africa or some... Hello, young man. Hi, young man. You're right. You're not implementing the vote. Oh, what a terrible country you are. Oh, we're going to have to oversee your general election. Yes, I did. Well, no, that was some kind of proportional representation.
No, it wasn't proportional representation.
Well, it was something to do with that,
It's a
wasn't it?
random majority system,
Yes.
so it's not proportional
No,
representation.
but it was a different type of voting.
It's different.
I actually can't remember now. The last time
Was this online?
No, this was back when it was in 2011. I can't remember that.
Because
But
I
it
was,
was a different type of voting.
yeah, so it's AV, so it's a bit more like X-Factor or something like that, you know, where you...
I was talking about No, I think we've got a massive problem. Because in the future, if Jeremy Corbyn gets in, let's say, with 10 or 11 million votes, or 12 million votes, what happens then if they come and say, oh, we don't want Jeremy in there? In number 10? Oh, no, we'll change it. We'll have another vote.
Exactly.
If you can do
Exactly.
17.4 million people vote for that, you can certainly do it with 12. What's wrong with that? Why can't you just change it all the time?
Why
No
not?
one can have another vote on it. It's been voted.
The only people that want
Got
another
to
vote
win.
are people that lost the first vote, I'm afraid. And you can't keep voting until you get what you get. And we will never get an honest vote again. Because they will never have Leave or Remain again on that ballot paper. It will be Virgil or Remain, which is two Remains. It's not Leave.
Yeah, I agree.
None of us want that. No Leaver wants her deal.
No
right?
No, Remainer was.
Absolutely. So if you say Remain or her deal, we'll give you Remain 2 votes. The only thing that can really go on that is Remain. So, or you'll have WTO, her deal, or Remain, so you split the lead vote.
Yeah, which is
So
still two
Remain
remains,
wins.
right?
Well,
Remain wins.
the added thing to that is what Parliament is openly saying to people is that you don't go to a ballot box and vote for any party. You don't do that. That's what Parliament is saying. Because if you do that, we're going to ignore your vote. Because we're going to please ourselves who's going to come in.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yvette Cooper's constituency in there, who's thwarted Brexit and doing all sorts of deals with people to do whatever, 70% to leave. So who is she representing?
Certainly not a constituent.
All the Labour constituencies up north, traditional Labour constituencies voted to leave. What don't they get? And none of them in there want to do it because they're 75% Remainers. So they should all step down and say, we can't represent our constituency anymore. My MP and this crazy who want a second referendum, they didn't want a second vote on them being there, do they? They changed their party and they don't want a by-election because they get voted out on a by-election. So it's rubbish.
Dominic Breed got overpowered in his own constituency. Treaper may come to his rescue
said they couldn't out him.
They couldn't out him. So they know they're going to be outed on all sides,
They
but more so on the
deselected
least.
Dominic